Advice about making money online that is easy to understand. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. Look out for scams. You can make money online, but you can also lose money online. Read through company reviews before you spend any time on a way to make money online so you get with a company that's decent. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Avoid upfront fees that some online portals ask for. If a business is on the up and up, they won't be asking for money up front. Companies who ask for money up front are generally a scam. Stay away from such companies. Your income stream should be as diversified as possible. Earning a steady income can be challenging on the internet. What's working for you on this day could change later on. The best thing to do would be to have a few different income streams. This way, if you underperform in one direction, you still have different kinds of methods you could use. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Student loan,